We're about to do a job that I've been so excited for. Our AGM batteries in the van just aren't holding charge anymore. So we haven't been able to use the diesel heater, we haven't been able to use the fridge. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap them out for these eco-worthy 100 amp hour lithium batteries. And if you know about batteries, the lithium batteries are the best ones to go for because they have a 10-year lifespan and they can do more than 3,000 cycles.
I'm so glad to get these out of the van. The weight of that is unbelievable. Compared to that, one finger. There's no chance of doing that with them. I'll break me finger. Look at the size difference on them.
I know, they're so much smaller, aren't they?
Gonna have to make the box smaller to keep them in. Another job.
These eco-worthy lithium batteries charge faster and are much more efficient than our previous setup.
So the batteries are now all switched over. This is going to make a huge difference, I know it is.
I'm so chuffed with these new batteries. It's just going to improve our quality of life so much inside the van, you don't even know.